Hi there, my name is April Sawtelle and welcome to my channel. Today all I'm doing is just telling you that on Saturday, January 28th, that's this coming Saturday, I'm going to be going live with Sean. Sean has the sewing channel. It's called The Guy Who Sews. I'm going to be going live over on his channel. Sean does a lot of collaborations with a lot of YouTube creators and it is a lot of fun. So if you can join us over there, bring a coffee, bring your works in progress, and we will just have a good time. You can ask questions if you want to. We're just going to be talking, really just small talking. If you get a chance, just jump on and go over to Sean's site. It's The Guy Who Sews. Go check out his videos. I hope to see you Saturday, and we'll see you soon. I will be back real soon with tutorials. I've been working on quilts and getting things ready for a whole bunch of tutorials. You won't want to miss this. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.